in Florida. We're in Daytona Beach, Bernalillo County in New Mexico, Toledo, Ohio, Richland County, South Carolina, Nye County, Nevada, and Beech Grove, Indiana. We're live. We're coming right back. Back live in Nye County with Deputy Nicholas Huggins at the non-traffic stop, abandoned car.
So tow's on scene. They're going to have the equipment needed to get into this car so that they can unlock it and hook it up to the truck. I'm going to take that opportunity just to do a quick inventory for the tow, make sure all their belongings are accounted for, and maybe if we can find an ID, something off of that. There is a purse that's in the passenger seat of the vehicle. If we can find an ID, something to link this car to somebody, might give us maybe the next step on the track to get going towards, but that's where we're at right now. Hello again.
What's up?
So it's all locked up, abandoned here in the roadway. Yeah, if you could. So he's gonna get his kit, and maybe we'll find out a little bit something more about what's going on here.